So immediately, yes, right out of the package, there's no excessive padding in the box, which tells me that this company, who sent me this guitar starter kit, by the way, has enough faith in this guitar bag. They say it's padded enough. We don't need extra padding in the box. So this is the Vangoa Acoustic Electric Guitar Bundle for beginners. Little tuner in the box. Okay, this is the pouch, by the way. Beautiful packaging here. There's a lot of stuff in here. This is like all the accessories that goes with it. And then, of course, we have the guitar right here. Nice. Right here is where you put the accessories, I suppose. Very nice zipper hardware. It's actually got straps on the inside as well. Oh, the coloring on this is gorgeous. So I took some notes about what I wanted to say in this video, but I wanted to get some first reactions first before I really, oh, you hear that? So this is the Gloss Natural, and of course it's right-handed, right? And oh, it smells great. Oh, look at that gloss. Oh, that is so nice. Of course, that's where you mount the the guitar strap. So this is a 41-inch. Absolute man, it is so pretty, guys. Now, as I said, I am brand new at guitar, so we're going to have to learn how to tune it, using these up here. What I'm a big fan of is how shallow the strings are to the, I believe this is called the fretboard. And this is really good if you have, weak fingers and you're still trying to, get the mechanics of it down. If they're taller, then obviously you have to press harder on the strings to make it work. So reading some of the reviews of this, a lot of people are saying that the tone is balanced, but it is definitely an entry bundle, right? You got all the stuff that comes with that. Man, I just love the look. Such a nice finish on this thing. Oh, so it's so clean. All in all, I would say that if you're a beginner like me, or younger, or something like that, then this is probably going to be exactly the kind of thing that you are looking for. It's priced well, comes with everything that you need in the package, the case, the strap, extra extra even a cloth to kind of clean off the surface there. And this is exactly the kind of thing that you're gonna be looking for. So thanks again to the seller for sending me this product to review. I'm gonna spend some time learning a little bit. My stepson has been excited to learn as well. So we're gonna learn this. We're gonna learn this together.